Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to your daily update for now on Render, which is still one of the strongest cryptos. I mean, if you look at the markets right now, you can see that Render, especially earlier in this morning in my time zone, was very bullish. But basically, over the entire course of the last 12 hours, it performed better than the markets. And where Bitcoin fell further down, Render was able to rally up higher, and that's also what you can see if you look at the charts of Render against Bitcoin. It's absolutely ridiculous because it's super bullish. All right, and we also had a bullish breakout right here, so that still is bullish, even though Render has found a little bit of resistance. So I just wanted to do a full update. In general, I still am bullish on the fundamentals for Render. I must say that a move like this worries me a little bit because there is a chance, unfortunately, that this turns into a double top. If you look at a lot of the things, so for example, the open interest, but also the spot buying is a little bit lower right here. So that's a bearish divergence, I would say. Right, so you see something like this. I would say that's a bearish divergence. The open interest basically got back up to the same levels. But purely technically, this level around 10.6, 10.7 is still a very strong resistance level. So if there was one level where we could form some sort of a double top, which is a bearish reversal signal or indication, so that's not great, then that would be this level. Overall, as I've said for the last couple of days and in all of my AI related crypto videos, overall I still am bullish on AI cryptos, right? If you think about May the 22nd with Nvidia earnings, if you think about OpenAI with all of their releases probably in the next couple of months, that is super bullish. And I still think fundamentally, therefore, Render is super bullish as well, because Render at this moment is the biggest AI related project. And I also think if you look at the other ones like Fetch, like Ajax, like Ocean, I do think that there's a little bit more insecurity around those with their merge into ASI. All right, I think that's bullish overall, but I do think that right now, I mean, people are not going to actively long Fetch for the long term. While with Render, that is a possibility. So that might also explain the more bullish momentum it gets if you compare it to other AI coins, which are not performing that great over the last couple of days, or at least over the last 24 hours. So now the main question is all right, well, can we actually break above this resistance level right here at 10.7 and rally higher? And the obvious answer is yes, but I do think that we need some sort of a bullish Bitcoin, all right? Because even though I think the AI narrative is very strong and fundamentally bullish, I don't think we can have a massive AI rally as long as Bitcoin stays relatively bearish here. All right, and for Render, what that means is that Bitcoin is falling down quite a bit here. For Render, that means that right now we're losing a little bit of momentum here. We're probably going to test this level again between 10.3 and $10. 10.3 being a strong technical level, $10 is a strong technical level and a psychological support level. What needs to happen is that when we drop down to that level, that we actually are able to hold that, all right? We might spike down lower, that's fine, but if we can hold that level for the next 24 hours, then I think we can break above 10.7 and rally up to 11.8 again. But that's the main test, and I will keep you updated on that. For now, I cannot tell you what I think is most likely. We have some big news also coming in, which is going to affect Bitcoin later today. I would say if you look at the market structure right now, that this is most likely, so a bullish continuation, but I would also be very careful, all right? That's what I want to end the video with. Like I said, I will keep you updated on this, but for now, thank you for watching, trade carefully, and bye.